In this tutorial, I'm going to show you two advanced techniques, a super quick curly face frame and how to refine your haircut for maximum balance and longevity. These are details I don't usually share publicly, but as members, you're getting the full breakdown so you can take your cutting to the next level. Let's get started. This is the quickest face frame you'll ever see. It's an advanced, super fast technique. We section from the top of the fringe down to the ear, taking this as one whole section. We over-direct the section to the opposite side of the face, using the corner of the square layers as your guide. I cut from longer to shorter, maintaining firm tension. The over-direction preserves maximum length while still reducing weight, creating an amazing face frame. Now I repeat the same process, cutting from shorter to longer with the same tension and cutting angle. You could do this in multiple sections, but on hair this curly, I find one clean section gives the best result. Shake out your shape and you'll see a balanced, seamless frame on both sides. This advanced refining technique works on all hair textures and densities, whether you want to create volume or reduce weight. Take fine, clean sections with the blades open. Gently scoop and slice. Elevating and over-directing maintains length while adding maximum volume. Cutting from underneath builds graduation inside the section, creating internal scaffolding that supports the shape and makes it low maintenance to grow out. We are getting closer to our goal of 100k subscribers, and 90% of you who watch my channel aren't even subscribed yet. Lend us a hand and subscribe today. The weight removal opens space in the mid-lengths and ends, reducing bulk, letting curls fall with more definition and separation. Work consistently through each section with even tension, focusing on denser areas in each section. Once you find the rhythm, slicing through the hair feels confident and controlled. If you want less volume, reverse the approach. Work from the bottom upwards, cutting on top of the section. This places graduation above, which pushes volume down. This is perfect for clients who want their haircut shape to last as long as possible. I cut the haircut wet for precision and balance, but I always refine dry. And a lot of the time when I'm cutting curl, I cut the whole haircut dry. Stay tuned for future dry cutting curly haircut tutorials. Dry refining lets me see the true curl pattern, the way the hair naturally falls, and where the weight really lives. By working curl by curl with light tension, I can remove bulk without losing definition and customize the shape for the client's face and texture. This combination of wet for structure, dry for refinement gives the most accurate and long-lasting result. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to give this technique a try, or if you've learned something new, or if there's a tutorial you'd like me to create. The final step in dressing the shape is the shakeout. Shake out your curls, allowing them to settle into their natural pattern. Here's the finished shape: refined, framed, hydrated with moisture spray and serum. Thanks so much for being a member and watching this tutorial. Your support means the world and it allows me to share these advanced techniques with you. Keep practicing, try these refinements on your clients, and let me know in the comments how it goes. I'll see you in the next members tutorial. Until then, you should watch these tutorials next.